Welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to show your phone number to your contacts on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update. If you've been trying to adjust your privacy settings so only your saved contacts can see your number, this video is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it loads, take a look at the top left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines, also known as the menu button. Click on that to open up the main menu. From here, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the essential options to customize your account and privacy. After opening Settings, look for the section called Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click on it. Inside Privacy and Security, you'll notice several options related to who can see your personal information. What we're focused on is your phone number setting. Click on Phone Number and you'll see a few choices for who can view it. If you'd like only your saved contacts to see your number, simply choose the option labeled My Contacts. This ensures that your phone number will stay hidden from strangers, but will be visible to people you already know and have saved on your device. Once you've made your choice, don't forget the final step. Click Save. Without saving, your preference won't be applied, so make sure to confirm the change. That's it. You've now updated your Telegram privacy settings directly from your PC. From this point forward, only your contacts will be able to see your phone number, giving you greater control over your privacy while still letting friends and family reach you easily. Making small adjustments like this helps you stay secure online, while also personalizing your experience on Telegram. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to apply it right away so your settings reflect your preferences. Thanks for following along.